When it comes to gold IRAs, understanding your storage options is crucial to making an informed decision about protecting your wealth. If you're looking into securing your savings in gold but aren't sure how to handle storage, this video will walk you through your best choices. Before we dive into the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next few weeks, click the first link in the description below to access a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs, and this guide will explain why it's one of the best ways to safeguard your assets. Now, let's get into it. When opening a gold IRA, the most important decision after choosing a custodian is where your gold will be stored. Unlike a traditional IRA, a gold IRA requires a specialized storage solution because the IRS mandates that physical gold must be kept in a secure location. So, what are your options? The first option is segregated storage. In segregated storage, your gold is stored separately from other investors' gold. It's your own personal stash, with individual identification of your metal. This option tends to come with higher fees, but it provides the peace of mind that your assets are completely distinct from anyone else's. On the flip side, you have commingled storage, where your gold is stored alongside other investors' gold in a shared space. While the fees here tend to be lower, it doesn't provide the same level of assurance that you know exactly which bars are yours. Many investors go with this option because it's more affordable, but it's not as secure as segregated storage in terms of ownership clarity. If you're considering a gold IRA, you might also be looking into home storage. While it might sound appealing to have your assets within arm's reach, home storage for gold IRAs is prohibited by the IRS unless it's in a qualified trust. And even then, you still have to meet specific legal criteria, making it a risky move for anyone who doesn't want to deal with potential penalties. When it comes to storing your gold securely, home storage just isn't worth the hassle and uncertainty. Now let's talk about third-party depositories. These are the most common and often the most reliable choice for storing your gold IRA. These depositories are IRS approved and have high security measures in place to ensure your gold is safe. They typically offer both segregated and commingled options, so you can choose the level of security that fits your needs and your budget. The key benefit of using a third-party depository is that you get an expert handling and securing your gold without having to worry about its safety on a daily basis. These options are available at a variety of price points, but third-party storage tends to be the best middle ground. It provides a balance of security, affordability, and peace of mind. So if you're still wondering what the best option is for storing your gold IRA, a reputable third-party depository is usually the safest bet. It's important to remember that the IRS sets strict guidelines for how your gold must be stored. You want to make sure you're following these rules because failure to do so can result in penalties. So, whether you go with segregated or commingled storage, or opt for a trusted third-party depository, ensuring compliance is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your gold IRA. If you're considering opening a gold IRA and securing your savings with gold, I encourage you to check out the first link in the description below for a free guide. This guide will help you understand why thousands of Americans, especially those with $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, are choosing to protect their wealth through gold IRAs. If you've got 5 Mary Plusers in savings, this guide is especially for you. It outlines how to safeguard your wealth against market volatility. So, to recap, when deciding on gold IRA storage, make sure you're choosing an option that fits your financial goals and offers security. Segregated storage gives you the highest level of protection, third-party depositories are a reliable and cost-effective solution, and home storage should be avoided unless you want to risk serious consequences. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click that first link to get your free gold IRA guide. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your wealth into gold, this guide is the next step towards securing your financial future.